Alright, so here we have an Amana, I believe Whirlpool makes it. It's the main control board. I'll have the part number listed below, but it's an Amana Washer. What happened with this one is the lid lock kept clicking and the red light kept flashing on it, so I got on Amazon to get a new latch, so I put that in there. I had to sand the latch down on it because it wouldn't fit in the new latch. But anyway, so I got it in there. Um, and this, I don't know if this happened before or after the latch, or if the latch shorted out and it caused this chip to fry. But the chip I'm working on right now is it's a AC protected switch. That one runs the latch itself, and so that's obviously what happened. I don't know if it blew or what caused it, but so I ordered some more of those chips and I'm soldering a new one on right now. Not doing a very good job of holding a video, but yeah, just wanted to show y'all. I don't definitely not the best at this. As you'll see later in the video, when I put the new one on, it's a little sloppy, but made connection, and this did fix the washer. The washer runs fine now. Um, yeah. All I had to do was put it all back together with the Amazon. It was a $25 door latch replacement, and I did have to 3D print some little spacers to go in there for the new door, or it wouldn't make contact with it. Uh, and yeah, so anyway, if you ever have a washer giving you problems like this, and you can inspect the board, go ahead and take it out and look at all the chips, make sure none of them were chipped like this one is. That obviously won't work. There's a lot of traces and wires in there that get broken when it chips out from getting too hot. If you have a good voltmeter that can check the capacitors too, it's always good to check the capacity on your capacitors. Make sure they're full, not shorted either. But yeah, hopefully this video helps somebody out. Hope you enjoy watching me struggle to get this little chip off there. Probably would have been better off had I used the paste and all that after I got it off, but whatever. I didn't really care. It saved me. That part was 60 cents. So anyway, hopefully this gives you some little encouragement if you need some encouragement to try to fix something. Because I know this board was like, it was I was gonna order one and it was like $100 for a used one, and new open box they were almost $200, and I bought the washer for 150 used. So anyway, here, yeah, I give up. I was trying to melt it. I said hell with it. I'm just gonna snip it and clean it up a little bit, and then I ended up soldering it just direct with some solder. But anyway, I'll let you all just continue to watch this without me droning you out. Getting better editing these videos. Look to start posting some more laser and some more other videos that hopefully can help people. So yeah, there I was cleaning it up. Now I'm just gonna lay that new chip on there with some solder and get them connected. It's not gonna sit flat like it should. And towards the end of the video, you can jump to the end if you want to kind of look, but it didn't sit flat on the board, but it's fine. That if it was like the actuator or a pump, I might have been a little worried about it, but because of heat. But since the board helps cool it a little bit, the chip. But since it's just for the door lock, I don't think it's going to be near enough current to get too hot, so it's probably fine. But yeah, I could have cleaned that up a little more, but I didn't really care. Anyway, enjoy.